As per another incident of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, Tibri he reports that once the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was traveling when along with his companions, with his beloved companions, may Allah be pleased with all of them, when the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, commanded his companions to prepare lamb for food. As a result, one of the companions stood up and he said that I will slaughter the animal, while the other companion stated that he would prepare the meal, he would cook the meal. Thereupon the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that alright, I will then go and collect woods from the forest or whatever that place was. And to that the companions of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that, O Prophet of Allah, you do not require to go and collect the woods, we are enough for this task. And to that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated that I know that you people are enough for this task, but I do not like to stand on an elevated place in front of you people. I would like to be among you. So that is what the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Tayyiba Tahira Zahida Abida radiyallahu ta'ala anha, she states that she never in her life found a person more soft spoken as the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. When they used to call the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the Holy Prophet used to say labbaik, which means that I am here. Such was the level of love and soft spokenness of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And we as followers of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, as people of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, as ummah of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, we are expected to follow the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. My friends, by accepting Islam, we accepted that we will follow the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And then if we accepted that we will follow the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, then we should ponder over this question, that are we in actually following the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? Are we soft spoken in our lives? Every day, every other hour, we hurt people, we use abusive language, we curse people. Yet the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in one of his sayings asked us not to curse the people who love Allah and his Prophet. Yet, in spite of knowing that we are not expected to curse people who love Allah and his Prophet, we still do. We still hurt the people and we still curse them. How can we call us true followers, or at least followers of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, when the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is asking us to refrain from illful acts and cursing the people, yet we are cursing people?